All right, hello and welcome back to the course. So in this video, you are about to learn about order form sales pages. It's literally just a sales page, but the difference is the order form is located on the sales page and they can purchase right here on this page. The biggest benefit of doing this is that you can actually split test with a page like this. So what you want to think about in terms of designing a page like this is you want to make it a little shorter. I've seen longer sales pages work. Like you can try the long form sales page route as well, but in my experience, I've seen like the shorter the better. That usually works. Either that or no. Sorry, lost my train of thought. So the shorter the better works, as well as lower price points work for something like this as well. So under $100. So it just lets them know what's included in the product. They also have some testimonials here, which I think is very good. And then all buttons, as they should, take them right back to the order form. You can do that inside of the CSS properties. I'll actually make a tutorial for that as well, and include that inside of the how to use ClickFunnels portion. And then that's basically it. You're using the same sales page principles that we've talked about. It's more in a condensed format, and you want to make sure all buttons lead back to the order form, and play around with where you put this. So maybe keep it at the top, or you might want to put this all the way at the bottom as well. The other thing, here's an example of an even more simple version of an order form sales page, and this one I kind of like even more because of just how simple it is. It's just one quick little paragraph explaining what's included in the course. I would also add some bullet points instead, maybe. Yeah, I would put bullet points here instead of a paragraph. I don't know why I can edit that. I'm in preview mode. Yeah, that's weird. So it has the price right here, and then you can put your order information in, and then checkout, put your card information in, and then click the button and you're good. Product name, put the VSL here. Like, this is clean, this is very straightforward, and I truly do like this page better than this one in this case. Especially if it was a lower ticket item, like under $50. Like this is all you really need. So it's like throwaway money for a lot of people, where they're like, ah, sure, I'll try it out for that much. It's nothing. So play around with the bigger, the more salesy version versus the straightforward version, and see what works best for you. This is just personally what I found to work best for me. All right, see you in the next video.